CAM operations and methods can now use expressions from many numeric inputs. In addition to the existing system expressions, CAM tool expressions are now provided. CAM tool expressions can be combined as well as used in combination with system expressions to create formulas using the current logic available for expressions. Expressions may also contain dependencies. Dependencies provide a mechanism by which multiple expressions can be changed quickly and easily. Here, for example, several formulas contain the expression CAM production type defined by the value proto. By editing this value, all dependent expressions are edited. Notice how the values for all expressions dependent on CAM production type have changed. The operations containing dependent expressions have been edited, requiring toolpaths to be regenerated. Notice the change in the toolpath when regenerated using the edited expressions.